All right, back here in Arkansas, down here in some hardwood river bottom. Just kind of giving you a view of what I'm looking at. I mean, I'm way down here, buddy. You can see the trusty four-wheeler saves my life. And you can see typical stuff here in Arkansas that I'm having to deal with is in order to get to where I gotta go, I gotta cross something like that. Okay, and I've been doing it all week. Okay. Now, is it too deep? Do you try to log? Is that how you get across? You try that log there. Let's see. Gotta get across over there into that stand right across the creek over there. Alright, let's walk down here. Look at these cypress. There's a good size oak tree. Nice white oak. Nice big oak bottom in here. Let's look at these cypress right here. We'll slip and fall down in that. Alright, check it out. Look at them big buttress cypress trees. Okay. All them cypress knees right there. Surely there's a friggin' gator or a snake or something in here. Let's see what this is gonna look like. It's probably slick. Oh hell. Alright, let's see here. Let's see what this crossing's gonna be like. I've been doing this all week. Got the Vietnam jungle boots. Trying to reach out there and see if I'm gonna get in over my head. Look at these big old cypress trees right here. The big cypress. Look up them. Alright, well, let's see here what we got. I don't know. Pretty sketchy. Let's see here. You can see I'm just poking forward here, make sure it ain't over my head. Maybe it gets a little bit shallower. I did this yesterday for 100 yards. Okay. Look at all these cypress knees in here. The big cypress there. Big old buttress cypress, look at there. Okay. Believe we might can make it. Hard way to make a living, baby. Alright. Made that crossing. Got up in here to the stand I'm supposed to be in. Looking around, big nice oak. Pretty thick. I'm soaking wet. Wearing the Vietnam jungle boots for drainage. Well, there you go. Typical Arkansas creek crossing.